Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. In this video, you'll see everything I ate for the last 7 days on a ketogenic way of eating. Now, I want you to take note that I am currently maintaining my weight, so my calories may be a little higher than what you would want for a fat loss deficit. Normally, I do a higher protein, moderate fat version of keto that is set to maintain lean muscle mass while promoting fat loss. Right now, I'm kind of eating my protein up higher still, but eating a little bit higher fat to kind of slow down my losing right now, just because I feel like I want to hang out at this weight. So if you would like to get your own custom macros, don't forget to visit our Facebook group, Keto Chaos. The link will be in the description below to get your personal macros, and then you can take some of the ideas from this video and tweak them so that they fit in your macros and you can get started on a weight loss journey.
Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, and this is my typical breakfast with a little change. So I have 1 ounce of cheddar cheese that I kind of fried up in the pan, and 1 cup of 0% Faye Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio water enhancer. And I have 2 fried eggs and 4 pieces of breakfast sausage. This is actually the Great Value brand. There's only 1 carb for 3 links, so it's pretty low carb, but it is higher in fat than some of the other sausages. So be careful and be mindful if your goal is fat loss to try and get turkey sausage if you can, or make sure you get a leaner meat for your other meals. And that's going to be my first meal of the day.
Hello everyone, it is Wednesday night and this is what I'm having for dinner. This is 8 ounces of strip steak made into fajita mix with some bell peppers and onions, and I have 4 tablespoons of sour cream and 4 tablespoons of guacamole, 3 tablespoons of salsa, and 2 servings of ragu cheese, the cheddar cheese sauce. And that is going to be my last meal of the day.
I do not.
I'm just gonna ask my mom.
Alrighty, it's Thursday night at the dance studio. I am going to eat half of these wings. The other half is for Oliver. And then I am going to have a side salad with ranch. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Well, that was fun. So I just waited for 45 minutes for Winger's wings. I get them all the way back to the dance studio and I cannot eat them. And neither can Oliver. So I basically just spent $32 on wings we cannot eat because they are breaded. Apparently I was supposed to order naked wings, which means no breading, because apparently their regular ones are breaded. So that sucks. $32 down the drain. I ate 3 of them before I looked it up, and so I ate what I should not eat. And it was 18 carbs just for those 3. So yeah, that combined with what I already ate puts me way over my carbs for the day. And I'm already feeling sick to my stomach, and I didn't get all the food that I need, and I'm still feeling hungry too on top of that. And I'm trying not to complain that I have to go spend more money to have a hamburger, which I didn't really want to eat after waiting all that time for the wings. I feel sorry for me. I know, first world problems, right? All right, so let's try this again. I am now going to be eating half-pound Carl's Jr. burger, the guacamole bacon burger, and we'll eat the salads from Wingers along with this. That's going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, it is Friday, and this is going to be my first meal of the day. 4 sausages, 1 ounce of cheddar cheese that I've fried on the stove, 2 fried eggs, and 1 cup of 0% Faye Greek yogurt. This is half a container of this 2-container thing, sweetened with lemonade Mio, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it is Friday night, and I am having one of my favorites. I am having 5 ounces of chicken breast, 2 ounces of provolone cheese, 1/2 cup of ragu Alfredo sauce, over some zucchini zoodles, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Heading out the door in a mad rush. This is all I have on hand to eat really quickly, so I am having 2 ounces of provolone cheese and a Think Thin bar. Alright, so I'm finally eating. This is going to be my second meal of the day, and it's huge because I am starving. I'm having a Wendy's triple and a half Southwest avocado chicken salad
with spicy ranch dressing. This is, I don't know if you can see it, lay it out flat. It's so yummy. And that's gonna be my second meal of the day.
We are having movie night with the kids, and I am having chicken breast with provolone cheese and cheddar sauce, ragu cheddar sauce over zoodles. That's gonna be my last meal of the day. Hey everyone, it's Sunday afternoon. I've been really sick today. I've had a cup of yogurt this morning because that's all I could get down because my throat hurt so bad. And now Chef Dave made me cheesy eggs and some sausage, and I'm gonna try and eat this. So this technically is my second meal of the day. Still lying in my sick bed. Hubby made me my favorite meal. It's the hamburger gravy. I have the recipe for here on my channel if you look in the recipes playlist. It's just 8 ounces of ground beef and some bouillon and xanthan gum and some 1/6 of a cup of green peas. So it's just a tiny amount, just enough to give it a little sweetness over cauliflower rice. And that's gonna be my last meal of the day.
Good morning, everyone. It's Monday. I am still sick, so I went and made myself breakfast because Chef Dave is doing all my running. And this is what I decided to have: 2 eggs, 4 sausage, 1 ounce of cheddar cheese fried up in the pan, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with acai berry Mio, mostly because I'm pretty much out of all the good Mios, and, you know, I have to use what I've got left. And hopefully it will taste okay. And since my nose is stuffy, I probably won't notice if it doesn't anyway. That's gonna be my first meal of the day.
Alright, it is Monday night. The Hubs is doing everything for me so that I can stay home and be sick. And I am having a hard time talking. So tonight I made myself dinner, and so I am having an 8 ounce sirloin steak topped with 1 ounce of fresh mozzarella cheese, 100 grams of broccoli with salt and a tiny bit of butter. And that's going to be my last meal of the day.
Hello everyone, it is Tuesday. I'm feeling a lot better today. I'm having my typical breakfast. 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of cheddar cheese that I fried in a pan, and 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with, I think this one is berry pomegranate Mio. Getting kind of low on my Mios. And it's my last bit of sausage that I had, and it's great value brand. There's less than a carb for 3 pieces. And that's going to be my first meal of the day.
Alright everyone, it is Tuesday night, and Chef Dave has made a lovely curry for me to try tonight. He actually used fresh mozzarella cheese for the cheese in this curry. So it's 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 5 ounces of chicken breast, some onions, tomatoes. I'm not exactly sure what he put in the sauce, but I don't know. He put curry powder and tomatoes paste, probably, I'm guessing, and onions. And then he said it's even less than a 1/6 of cup of green peas, just a sprinkle of them for flavor. And that's going to be my last meal of the day.
Well, there you have it. Everything I ate this week on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some ideas for your own keto meal plan. Again, don't forget to join us on Facebook for support and for ideas and to get your macros. And we'll get started on this weight loss journey together. Thanks so much for watching. We'll talk to you again soon.